22, the smallest family will become 1,000 people, and the tiniest group will become a mighty nation. At the right time, I, the Lord, will make it happen. You may feel small, unnoticed, or as if your dreams are too distant to reach. But God sees beyond where you are now. He sees what you are becoming. What seems tiny in the eyes of the world is already mighty in His hands. His plans for you are greater than you can imagine. Maybe you've been waiting, praying, and wondering when things will change. But God's timing is never late. He promises that at the right time, He will make it happen. What you perceive as a delay is actually His divine preparation. He is growing you, strengthening you, and positioning you for something far greater than you can see. Don't let discouragement steal your faith. Don't let doubt convince you that your breakthrough will never come. God is the one who makes things happen. And when He moves swiftly. Your small beginning does not determine your final destination. His promise does. Trust in His timing. Trust in His plan. What feels small today will grow into something powerful tomorrow. If you believe, type "Trust in the Lord" and share this with someone who needs to hear it today.